Hey everybody, this is weekend update number 7 with Dean and Colby. So no machining this week. Been busy doing a bunch of other stuff, but we did do a little road trip a few weeks ago. Took Colby and his 2 younger brothers, my grandsons, and we went and saw an aircraft carrier. Can't remember the name of it. Do you remember what it was called?
It was the USS Hornet CV-12.
The Hornet CV-12, yep. And was it in any wars?
Yeah, it was in World War II, the Vietnam War, the Korean War, and it also picked up Apollo 11.
Apollo 11, yep. Yep. So, anyways, we had fun. I didn't get a lot of filming, so just going to be a few clips with the 3 grandsons and all the stuff we had to climb up and down and whatnot. It was it wasn't that easy to film. So, but we did have a good day, and we got to climb up in the island.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, up to where the helm is and the air boss.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot of ladders up and down. So, anyways, it was a fun day. The ship is in pretty poor shape. They've been working, it's been open like maybe 15 years, and they've still got a long way to go to get it in decent shape. It was neglected, sitting for a long time. It's in the Alameda Naval Air Base or Air Station, right by Oakland, California. So it's open, I think, almost every day. It's actually better to go on a weekend. We went on a weekday and there was hardly anybody there, and there weren't hardly any docents available to take us into some of the restricted areas of the ship. Like, go to see the engine room, boiler room, some of the below deck stuff. You've got to do it with a docent on a guided tour, and we were there on a real slow day. So, anyways, we've got a few clips you can look at, and then that'll be it for this week. Alrighty, thanks everybody for stopping by. Say bye, Colby.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, we're looking across to San Francisco, and then over here there's the old airstrip for the Alameda Naval Air Station, and that's where the Mythbusters used to do a lot of their testing, out there on that airstrip. And a little perspective, we're here at the what's left of the Alameda Naval Base. And there's the USS Hornet. Well, they have docents here.
I know they do, but I don't know where I could have been that these men were jumping.
Yeah, on the railroad tracks.
Oh, you are, honey? Look at that.
Hey, wait a minute. We're actually not on the no parking because we're not on the road.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so there's the, I guess you would call it the outboard elevator, or deck edge elevator. That's what they call that.
It's on a lady set. I don't think we can go on this one.
Grandsons and the boss lady.
Of course I'm the boss lady. It's okay, honey. We can just keep walking.
This is not the best way set.
And getting them back on board.
Right. Yeah, so we're here in the Air Boss station.
Yeah. So here's a picture of what it would look like to a pilot coming in to land on a ship like this.
Tiny.
Well, yeah, it does look a little small, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the higher up you get, the smaller it looks.
For some damage, it could go out that way.
Yeah.
Doesn't like shoo everything out behind it.
We're up on the flight deck.
Dylan, that's why they have those walls and planes behind the airplane.
Okay, we're gonna do some exploring. We're on the aft end of the flight deck, looking forward. There's the island. That's where we were at the Air Boss station. Looking down at the deck edge elevator. It's hard to get the perspective, but this thing is huge.
When I become a little old lady and you're a big strong boy, man, will you carry me?
You got the crane here.
Okay. I don't know if there's my family
San Francisco. Okay, most of you are familiar with the Mythbusters. Right there is the airstrip where they did a lot of their testing when they would crash trucks or any type of where they needed a big open area. That's the airstrip that they use. Alameda Naval Air Station. We got a few active Navy ships here. These are support vessels like oilers. We're out here on the fantail. Just amazing how big everything is. Some mooring lines. We're in the anchor winch room. Okay, we found the metal shop, machine shop. Look at the size of this grinder. What a beast. And a nice metal working table here. See a Beverly shear. Look at that, there's a Racine power hacksaw. There's can't go back there, but there's some kind of either a mill drill or radial arm drill, something back there. And then we got a couple drill presses. I'd say that one's original. This one here is definitely not original. All right, we found where the Marines keep their rifles. Great big model of the original Hornet CV-9. Pretty cool.